your complete guide to the German visa application. Introduction and welcome to the course.
Welcome! So, you have decided to study in Germany and have already completed the university application process? Congratulations! You're one step closer to making your dream of studying abroad come true.
But wait, did you know that sending the university application is only the first step in the journey? Do you feel intimidated by the prospect of researching the visa application requirements and wondering how to get started? Are you worried that without external help, you will not actually get a visa and all your efforts might go in vain?
If so, this is the right course for you. My name is Arnold.
And I'm Veneta.
We will be your host during the course, How to Successfully Apply for a German Student Visa.
By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable and confident submitting your visa application, as well as going through your visa interview. You will clearly understand all application requirements and will be prepared to complete all steps of the process in a timely manner.
First off, a bit of us and the Fintiba team. As part of Fintiba's team, we have collected vast experience in supporting thousands of international journeys to Germany. Our knowledge is further strengthened by the diversity and the expertise of our international team.
Our colleagues come from over 20 different countries, and many have started their journeys in Germany as an international student or an expat. In addition, our team members have more than a decade of finance and insurance experience in Germany, which gives us the expertise needed to create this course.
Before we dive into the course, let me tell you about the course structure. It contains 8 chapters in addition to this introduction and an outro. You will have access to all the slides, additional materials such as templates we have prepared for the course.
We recommend that you go through this course either while you're waiting to receive an admission letter from a German university or shortly after, to implement all tips in the visa application process from the very start.
Let's get started!